Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I got my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of September and I'm dying to see what's inside. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. So I got everything in here and I'm ready to put this on my face. Here's the box. This is the little card with it. You can pause it to read it. And all the listing and the prices are in the back, and I'll go through that product by product. I will be trying these out. Well, depending, I already did my face. Whatever I can use, I'll use it. So in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box which includes 5 makeup products in each month, and it always guarantees an eyeshadow palette each month. It retails for $25 and I think it's a great deal. You get a lot of good products in there. I've been purchasing their boxes for years now, I think, and for the most part I always end up loving their boxes. So let's see. The first product that I see here is this one by Delancey or Delanci. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's Italian or French. It's this right here. The packaging is very beautiful. This retails for $22. This is a multi-chrome palette. So this brings 4 beautiful enchanting multi-chrome shades. Apply with your finger or a flat brush for best results. Ooh, I saw a teaser on this on Instagram, so I'm dying to see the actual colors, how they look like. Look how pretty. Look at those colors. I see 2 blues, 1 like green and 1 light. Let me swatch it for you quickly. Okay, here, all 4. I'm trying to see if you can see the shift. I don't know which way to put my hand so you can actually see it. I think you see it best with this one and this one. Okay, here are the shades. They're very pretty. I definitely see a shift in... Let me see if with the mirror you can see it better. I don't know if you can see it better there, but I can see it. It's very beautiful. That is gorgeous. And now you can have a little quad of it, which is great. I prefer it to be in like little palettes like this and scattered individually, just because I can store it better that way and it won't get lost. Okay, the next thing I see is from Aceb Beauty, which I love that brand. Is this right here, this box. This retails for $18 and this is the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick by Aceb Beauty, which I've never tried their lipsticks before. I've tried a lot of their eyeshadow palettes and I love their quality for eyeshadows. It's great. I have a whole bunch of palettes from Aceb Beauty, but I've never tried their liquid lipsticks before. So this is, it says here, this is long lasting and lightweight. This liquid lipstick is both comfortable and very pigmented. I want to see the shade. I think that this is the name of the shade. It's called Ambition. Let's see. Ooh, it slides. Look at this box, how cute. It slides open like that. Look how nice that packaging. You pull it out from there. That's so freaking, this is gorgeous. The packaging is amazing. Look how beautiful that is. Let me swatch the color. Oh yes, I love colors like this, especially for fall. Look how beautiful. Love that. I can't wait to try this. Okay, this next product is by Izzy. So this one retails for $24 and this is the Champagne Gold Twist Eyeliner with a sharpener. This golden eyeliner, which contains a little secret at the bottom. The metallic end opposite of the cap is removable and there is a sharpener built into the product. So that's great. You get both the sharpener and the eyeliner. It is very soft. It's right here. It looks like a highlighter. Isn't that pretty? And then it says opposite to the cap over here, it is the sharpener. That's crazy. I think every eyeliner should have that, honestly. So I can't wait to try this. Next product is by Illuminati. It's a lip gloss. It retails for $20, and it says this is a clear lip gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics with some gold glitter. So it has little gold specks of it. I know I'm not gonna use this, so I'm gonna set this aside for a future giveaway. And guys, I'm getting close. I have products already that I could do 2 giveaways. 2 people can win. So I'm almost there at 1K. So if you could share my video so I could get there faster and do the giveaway, I would greatly appreciate it because I'm so close. And once I hit that 1K, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I have enough products for 2 people to win. So share my video, like it, and just hope for the best. Hopefully I get there soon. And last but not least is the palette. In this month's box, you get to choose which palette you wanted, and it was between, they're both by Moonslice Cosmetics. I already tried a palette from them a while back, and I like the quality. This month they had 2 different fall palettes. One is more neutral and softer, and then the other one had more bold colors. I chose this one, which is the Moonshake. And let me show you how beautiful it looks. But first, let me tell you a little bit about this. So it was either between Moonshake or New Moon palette, and it retails for $30 each palette. This palette contains beautiful mattes, shimmers, and dual chromes. It says make sure to use the eyeshadow primer or glitter glue with these. So I'm glad that they suggested that because not a lot of people use glitter primer. I always tend to do that with all shimmers because it'll make it stay in place and it won't get all messy. So I chose this one, and I'll tell you why. I chose the neutral one because these are the shades that I gravitate towards every single day for an easy, quick makeup look. These are the palettes that I always hit pan on. I have a couple of palettes there that I hit pan on, and they're all tones like this. So I knew that I was gonna get more use of this one, even though I think the one that was more popular that people were gonna like really reach out for was the other one. If I find a picture, I'll pop it in the screen. But I knew that I was gonna get more use out of this one, so I chose this one. I'm ready to try these colors out and put it on my face. I think I'm gonna start with this shade here. See how pigmented that one is. If not, I'll lighten it a little bit as a transition shade. Oh yeah, as pigment, it does. I can see it quickly. So let me go ahead and mix this one with a little bit of this one to lighten it a little bit. But what I've noticed, this is the second palette that I tried from Moonslice Beauty. I love their mattes because they're so pigmented, but they're easy to blend, you know what I mean? It's not one of those pigmented eyeshadows that you have to struggle to blend it out. Look how beautiful that color. I could totally just use this color, and I know I'm gonna do that. Put mascara on and that's it. Look how beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna deepen out the outer corner with this color over here. So far, I'm loving the shades that I used. And this one is also pigmented. I love tones like this. So I'm just gonna deepen this outer corner over here, go slightly above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes. And I want to create a little lift to the outer corner because my eyes are droopy. So I'll be doing that to both eyes. So for shimmer, I'm debating, what do I want? Do I want 1 or 2? Let me swatch it right here for you. First 4. Very beautiful. Ooh, I like that one a lot. Ooh, I like that one too. And then this was like peach. This one. That one's very pretty too. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Let me figure it out. Okay, so I think the first one I'm gonna grab is this one over here, and then this one. Put this in the middle. Oh, that's beautiful. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna try to zoom in. That is truly stunning. That is very pretty. And then I flip over the brush and take the other shade, which is lighter. Also very sparkly. Wow. Hopefully you can see that. Wow, these are very sparkly. I'm gonna go back and forth with both shades to get a better blend. Okay, for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use another shade that I haven't used, so I'm gonna use this one. Then I'll use this brown down here. I'm loving all the shades so far. I think they're working great. Very easy to use. With this type of angle brush, I'm going to take the black in the palette, do a thin line right up here, like halfway, to deepen that because I'm going to pop in some lashes. Just to smoke this area out a little bit more. Like that. I added some lashes. These are by Ardell. And I'm going to try the eyeliner now. Forgot that I had the golden eyeliner. And I already took off my lip gloss, the lip gloss that I had, and the lip liner, so I could try the lipstick. But first, the ZZ eyeliner, which is in a golden shade. How beautiful that is. Ooh, I'm gonna like this one a lot. Ooh, I do have some fallout from the glitter. I didn't notice. I just noticed I had it right there. I'm gonna use this also like an inner corner highlight. Let's see if that works. Just a little pop right here. Like that. In the inner corner. Okay, so definitely use a glitter primer to apply the shimmers because it landed right here. And I try to wipe it away, but no, it's gonna stay there. It's not going anywhere. Or do your eyes first. This has a long stick. I'm like, look at this. I've never seen a liquid lipstick that has such a long doe foot. Oh, I love that color. Feels so soft. So this is the first time that I'm trying a lipstick, a liquid lipstick from Aceb Beauty. Hopefully I like it. It's so creamy and soft. I love this. I'm gonna wait a little while to see if it dries down. So I gave it a couple of minutes. Let me see if it's transfer proof. It is not, but it feels so soft. Very soft on your lips. It doesn't feel dry at all. And I have dry lips as is, always. And it does not feel dry on your lips. So it's a great formula. I don't think it's gonna have that much longevity. Maybe I'm wrong, but I love the color. I know I'm gonna use this a lot now for this time because I love tones like that. I just love the color. I love the way it feels. It's just great. I love it. That eyeliner I'm in love with because it's like a highlighter for your waterline. The eyeshadow is great. I love all the colors that I tried. I don't even remember how many colors I used. And the shimmers are great. Just do your eyes first, for just in case for fallout, or use definitely have to use a glitter primer. The one that I use is the one that I always use, the NYX one, so you don't get fallout. I have to try this in a future video to see if I like it, but I think I am gonna like it. And that's it. That's everything that I got in the box. Let me know which palette you chose and if you like it or not, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.